Okay guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing some analysis on few of these pairs, mostly USD JPY and Euro USD. So these are some of the pairs that I focus on. So now first I want to show us what happened this day. I think this was on Thursday. That should be Thursday last week. During the news, it was a CPI news. The Thursday was today. It was during the news. I think it's this news that happened. This news here, this CPI. That was Thursday last week. That was when this movement happened. And if you pay attention to, if you have been someone that has been monitoring USD JPY, you know that USD JPY came to this zone here, some time ago. That was few weeks ago, and many people sold with this. Many people sold. Many people, most of my guys, when they saw this, let me remove this thing. So when they saw this this candle here, most people sold with this candle here. This candle you can see here, most people sold here, being that this has been a zone and the market have not really come here, so many people sold with this. But now there is one of my trading strategies. I have to wait for break and retest. As if I want to participate in this, I have to wait for the market to break, then we test this zone, then I will enter here. Whereby if I enter, my stop loss will be above here, then my entry position will be here. And if I'm to buy, I will wait for this thing that happened. You can see it here is break and retest. Then after this candle, you can enter with this one. So this is basically my trading strategy, or one of my trading strategies. I do wait for break and retest, then I enter the market. But I did not participate in this buy because I was hoping for this sell to happen. I was hoping. I know that this sell would happen, but this is not my trading strategy, so I did not participate on it. So the market then break this zone, pull back, that is break and retest, and enter. So many people sold, so the market was moving nice. So when this happened, the market was coming down. So if you are conversant with ICT, inner ICT is inner circle traders, I think. If you are conversant with ICT thought about order block. So I map this thing out as my order block. So if you don't know about order block, maybe drop a comment on the comment section. I will make a video about that, or you can search on ICT order block. You will also see there. So I map this out as my order block. I map it out. So meanwhile, do make sure you like and comment and subscribe to my channel. So with time to time, or maybe I will try to be doing some analysis each week so that we will see what the market is trying to show us. So I map this out as my order block, and if you know the trading strategy of order block, when you map it out, you have to wait for the market to come and retest the order block before you can enter the market. So now when this happen, if you pay attention to this order block, when I mapped it out, this order block, so the market started going down. So well, after this and this pullback, this touch here, though I'm not supposed to consider this as a pullback, though I entered with this, then I was out. I think I was out here. I was out somewhere. Sorry for the noise. I entered with this and I was out somewhere here. So now, but I could have, or I should have waited for the, it should have come down, then we test, then I will enter here, or when enter with the retest. That is how to use the order block. So what I did here is just from fear of missing out, because when I see this, I know the market is going down, so I don't want to miss anything. and that is very bad in trading. If you still have that fear of missing out, you are going to you are going to make a lot of mistakes. So one thing in trading is you have to conquer FOMO, fear of missing out. You have to trade with peace. I think that is why our name is Inner Peace Traders. So now if you see what's happening here, the market still respects the other block. So when this happened, I entered with this because I just assume that this is the retest, but I know this is not it. But because of fear of missing out, I entered with this. So the market came down. So after all this retest that happened here, if you see all these points, the market have not retest the other block, but all these things that happened here, the market came here and retest this other block here. You see here, the market retest this other block here. So and then form this candle. This candle, I think, is a hanging man, and form this candle here. So this, and after this candle and this other candle, so this should be a good confirmation for someone to enter this trade. But I missed this trade because I know the news will be coming out. So I was having FOMO, like what if the news comes out now and go the opposite direction. So assuming that this did not happen during the news, like news is not coming out here, I could have entered with this, because this is a perfect break, as in the market pull out from the other block and the market come back here and retest it. So this is a nice entry position for me to enter. But because of the news that we were expecting that day, I did not enter, because anything can happen. One thing about trading is just a probability game. So but one thing now I now understand is, if your technical analysis is intact, if your technical analysis is intact, the news, the fundamental will not go against you. Most of the times I have monitored my technical analysis and how they collide with fundamental analysis. So you can see what happened here. When the news came out, the market pushed down. So had it been, I respect my decision and my trading system and strategy, I could have been making a very nice profit here. And you see what happened here. So what am I seeing again? Now see what is happening in USD JPY as of today. So this that happened here, when all these things were happening, you see the market reject here, reject here, reject here, reject here, and this, when it started going up here, when this side of not falling, started going up here, I mapped out this candle here as my other block. I map it out, waiting for the market to come and retest it. Most people entered with this because this is 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. So now in this 4 hour time frame, if you go to 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame, this is a very huge movement. So most people entered with this, thinking that okay, because of this thing that happened now, the market is coming back here, which I know, or let me say, 80% probability that the market will still come here. This thing that happened during the news, the market will still come here and fill it up, as I hope. So but now most people have entered here, and now see what happened. The market just smashed their stop loss. The market have smashed it. Now the reason why I'm not a victim in this is because of the trading strategy I'm using. I used to wait for break and retest. Like now, this is no longer this zone will no longer be valid in terms of being my other block, because I have to consider another block here. So you see what happened, the market pull, and the market just smashed. If you entered with this, the market have smashed those guys stop loss. So now you see what is happening at the moment. So what I will wait also, for the market to show me a sign that is going up, kind of double bottom here to form in 4 hour time frame. Maybe the market will come up here, then we test here this zone. Probably this candle will close as a bearish candle. So the market will come up here, we test this zone before we enter here, then I will go up. maybe my first target will be here. So let's see what will happen here, because what will happen here we then show us or tell us what to do. Because one thing about this market is it don't do, or the market don't do what you want it to do. Is what the market shows you. You will make decision based on what you are seeing in the market. So that is it for Euro USD. So at the moment, I personally don't have anything to say now. I don't know what to do now until the market shows me what it wants to do. Then I have to decide based on what the market is showing me. So now this is for Euro USD. So this is what is happening in Euro USD at the moment. This is for our time frame. You see what is happening now. So for now, my main attention is in USD JPY. I think because of the length of the video, I will make another video now so that we will analyze Euro USD together. So do well and comment. Drop your comment section. Drop a comment what you think on USD JPY. If you think that my analysis is in alignment with yours, let me know. If you think that there is something I'm missing, let me know in the comment section. Okay, see you and do have a nice day, and I wish you the best.